If you want to stop sharing additional information with business partners on X, formerly Twitter, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. This is a simple privacy setting, but it's an important one if you want more control over how your account data is shared. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and let's jump right in. First, open X and look at the left navigation bar. At the bottom of the menu, click on More. This will open up additional options and settings for your account. From the menu that appears, click Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps all of the account privacy and security controls you may want to adjust. Next, click Privacy and Safety. Once you're inside this section, you'll see several different categories related to your account privacy and data preferences. Now find and click Data Sharing with Business Partners. This is the area that controls whether it can share certain additional information with business partners. Once that page opens, look for the option that says Allow additional information sharing with business partners. To stop this sharing, simply toggle it off. As soon as you turn that setting off, X will stop allowing additional information sharing with business partners on your account. That's all there is to it. A few seconds, one quick setting, and you've improved your privacy on X. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple guide like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.